Hey, pharmacy pros in training, got a minute? Let's talk Guaifenesin. Guaifenesin is an over-the-counter drug and a common expectorant. It helps loosen mucus in your chest and throat, making it easier to cough it out. So when should you use it? If you have a cold or respiratory infection with a lot of mucus, Guaifenesin could be your go-to. For adults and kids over 12, the usual dosage is 200 to 400 milligrams every 4 hours. But remember, don't exceed 2,400 milligrams in 24 hours. What about side effects? Common ones include dizziness, headache, and nausea, nothing too scary, but always good to know. And there you have it, Guaifenesin in a nutshell. Keep this info handy, and you'll be ready to help your future patients breathe easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pharmacy tips.